Asus has unveiled a lot of laptops across various price points for different types of users. And what we have with us today is what we think that this laptop has a good balance between the price and the performance. Let's meet the Asus VivoBook S14 S406U. As soon as you unbox the VivoBook S14, the design becomes evident. The laptop is made of metal, which makes the design of this laptop feel sturdy and premium. But some may feel it boring and dull because of the pale color of this laptop. We have received the Icicle Gold variant. There is also a Star Grey variant, which seems to be unavailable in the stores. The laptop is considerably light and thin, weighing at just 1.2 kilos and having a thickness of 14.8 millimeters. Flip open the laptop and you are greeted with a 14-inch Full HD LED display. Brightness can go from 0 to full in just a matter of seconds. The bezels around the screen are quite narrow and the display has an anti-glare coating on top of it. It was a pleasure to watch movies on this machine. Overall, the display can produce vibrant colors and has a decent viewing angle. VivoBook S14 S406 comes in various configurations, and the one which we received has i5 8th Gen processor coupled with 8 gigs of RAM. The laptop runs quite smoothly and we experienced zero lag whatsoever while using it. The laptop can handle heavy multitasking, but it couldn't do the same when it comes to gaming. There were few frame drops and heavy lag while playing CSGO on medium to high settings. Though games like Asphalt 9 and Team Fortress 2 ran amazingly well without any distortion. In a nutshell, this laptop is not meant for gaming. We also tried some video editing and photo editing on this machine and it handled all of them quite well. Data transfer speed and boot up speed on this machine were quite impressive thanks to the 256 GB of SATA 3.0 SSD. Also, the laptop comes with Asus iCool technology, which keeps the laptop cool and good. Though, while doing some heavy work, the laptop will eventually heat up. Below the display, we get a nice chiclet type keyboard, and believe me, it was a pleasure to type on this machine. The keyboard is also backed up with LED backlight. Below the keyboard, we get a trackpad which is neither too small nor too big. It is decent enough. The only problem I faced is that the buttons on the trackpad get stuck sometimes and become irresponsive. Sometimes they do not let me do stuff like drag and drop, which is quite annoying. A mouse would come handy in such situations. Something which is responsive is the fingerprint reader, which is placed on the top right corner of the trackpad. Talking about the battery life, the laptop can last up to 3 to 4 hours on heavy usage. Light usage can keep the laptop alive to like 8 hours. But wait, the laptop comes with fast charging, which means that you can go from 0 to 80% within an hour. When it comes to port selection, Asus has included all the necessary ports on this machine. On the left side, we get ports like USB 3.0 Type A, Micro HDMI, USB 3.0 Type C, and the charging port along with 2 LED lights, indicating the display and battery status. On the right side, we get a USB 2.0 Type A port, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro SD card slot. Before we get to the conclusion, I'll quickly touch upon the smaller stuff. The laptop comes with Windows 10 Home Edition and some Asus programs pre-installed. Even though the speakers on this laptop are tuned by Sonic Master, the audio output was quite low. In conclusion, we think that the Asus VivoBook S14 is a good recommendation for creators and professionals who do not want to break their bank but want something super portable and powerful. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you have any questions or queries, ask us in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you can never miss our weekly videos. Thanks for watching.